Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will be showing you how to change your TikTok region or location. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on new videos. So now let's begin. The newer updates of TikTok has restricted us from changing our TikTok region which was previously available. So we should click on setting and privacy in account. There used to be changing the region feature available here, but now it is not available. So what you can do is from Play Store download a VPN. You can basically download any free VPN and then you can change the region to whichever region you like. So I hope you like the video, and if you have any queries you can comment down below. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Have a good day. Thank you.